Well, all right, y'all. The ACA Awards are slowly approaching, and it's my job to inform everybody on what the get down is. You, the fans, supporters, haters, and Patreon members all have a voice in this. Your vote matters. Your opinion matters. Each week, we're going to show you the categories and the nominees and leave a voting poll for you to cast your vote leading up to the amazing Creator Award that will be airing next month. The results and winners from the ACA Awards will be aired live on my Zoom to Thailand live channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell over there as well so you'll be up on everything.
Everything.
Now, you don't have to be a subscriber to vote, but it would help us out with the algorithms and the accuracy of who's watching the show. Right now, there's a total of 12 categories. This will be the first annual ACA Awards, so we need to keep it short and sweet. Next year, we plan on doing the ACA Awards live here in Thailand, and then we'll be able to expand on the categories. Your vote matters, but here's the twist. Your votes will account for 49% of who the winners will be, but we also have a panel that will be weighing in on the votes as well. This way, no one knows who the actual winner will be until the show airs in December. Make sure to leave your comments in the comment section. Did we get it right? Did we miss somebody? Let us know in the comment section what you think. Now, without further ado, here's the nominees for today's categories. Lego. The nominees for the best verses are Bounty Killer versus Beanie Man, Earth, Wind, and Fire versus the Isley Brothers, Erykah Badu versus Jill Scott, The Lots versus Dipset, Jeezy versus Gucci Man, baby. Now, I know it would be cool if I could play some of the music from the actual Versus episodes, but they will copyright strike me into oblivion if I even think about it. Make sure to check out the nominees on other social media platforms so it can help you with your voting decision. You dig? On to the next category. Reaction Channel of the Year Solo. Here are the nominees. Mediocre tutorials and reviews. Melody King. The Poor Man's Podcast Reacts. DJ Ghost. Grubman TV. These are your nominees for Podcast Reaction of the Year Solo.
Zoom to Thailand.
Okay, baby. We are here to be a joint. This is what y'all been waiting on, baby. We gonna give it to you live and direct.
Welcome to Pattaya where the players play, where they zoom to Thailand from the USA. No stress, no police to duck, all peace. Relax overseas with the travel OG. Women are beautiful, dime they love black. Pay a visit, I promise you come back. Passport, Mac, freedom papers, I take it. Toby, he don't want me to lead a plantation. Now they hate me. Propaganda content, mad cause I'm living abroad with no nonsense. Cut the nonsense, I'm not to be played. Let the games of DR like tailor-made. Out of the maze, it's looking so amazing. Brown skin thick and fine, call her blazing. So contagious, we hitting like sports. Get out the way or get your passports.
Church, Richard, church.
Welcome to Pattaya where the players play, where we zoom to Thailand like every every day. No stress, no police to duck. All peace, relax overseas with the travel OG. Welcome to Pattaya where the players play, where they zoom to Thailand like every day. No stress, no police to duck. All peace, relax overseas with the travel OG.
This flight here is United, brother, with passports all over the world. So it's best to take your DR flight, hop a Spirit, and get your pookie on.
I love traveling, which brings us to our next category, Best Travel Channel. Now don't worry, Zoom to Thailand is not and cannot be nominated for Best Travel Channel. That would be considered a conflict of interest. Bring on the travelers! Best Travel Channel. The nominees are Chef in Affair, CB Media, Passport Heavy, Ace Live. These are the nominees for the Best Travel Channel of 2022. Cast your vote now. We lost some pretty amazing people this year. And every year, I want to do a tribute to those people that are gone but not forgotten. This segment is dedicated to the late, great Kevin Samuels. Love him or loathe him, his impact on YouTube was phenomenal. As soon as his star started to truly shine, he was gone. This is why we have to appreciate each other, support each other, and give each other our flowers. Here's a tribute to those we lost in 2022.
Hey, Mr. Samuels.
Hey, how are you? What do you got for me?
I'm a 37-year-old woman, 2 children.
Okay.
I do not have a problem getting a man. It's just I attract weak men.
Okay.
I am celibate. I've been celibate for 2 years.
What? Where'd that come from? What's the philosophy here? You're not a virgin. You got 2 people came out of you. What?
And I'm going to tell you the reason behind that is because when I do open my legs, they get crazy.
What you mean? No, I want you to keep it classy, but you trying to say they get pee-whipped?
Yes.
So you meet a man that's a high-value man, a good guy. You think you're going to be celibate for what? What, till you married?
Yes.
You got your goddamn mind. I wish I would meet a 37-year-old with 2 kids and think you going to... Shit. Check, please.
You comical.
So there you have it. These are some of the nominees for the 2022 ACA Awards. Next week, we're going to show you some other categories for you guys to vote on as well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and give us your thoughts on the people that are nominated and possibly should be nominated. Remember, your voice matters. And with that being said, I only have 2 more words to say. You want me to say it? Are you going to say it for me? Or should we just say it together? All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Theme music!
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.